Hey guys, so today we'll be solving problem 5, graphing from a function rule, question 19, and what it asks us to do is to write the value of each variable or expression. So as we can see here, there are some blanks that we have to be filling out, and in order to solve this, we need to fill out first those blanks. So here I've already written down the general formula for a sign graph or for the function. So let me rewrite this function here. So we have y equals 1.5 sine 2 theta. Now, looking at the general formula, all we'd have to look at is what values fill in the variables. But first, let's change the general formula so that we don't get confused. So here we could see that it has x, but since we have theta in this function, we're just going to change it to a sine b times theta minus c plus c. So if we just compare the values, so we have so a would be 1.5, and let's fill that in here. So a equals 1.5, and b is directly in front of x, so or in our case theta, so the value of b here from this function would be 2, so b equals 2. And just to explain what the values of a and b are, so a is the amplitude, and b is a value that we can use in solving for the period, which is this equation right here. So to solve for the period, the formula is 2 pi over b, and now that we have the value of b, we can solve for the period. So that would be equal to 2 pi over b, which is 2. And if we solve for that, we can cancel out the 2, and that would equal to just pi. So if we put those values into the blanks here, we have 2 pi over 2, which would equal just pi. And that is equal to the period. Thank you.